to the channel. So today, we are going to be outside once again on the PitBoss 5-burner flat top griddle.
Ooh, you got it down.
Oh yeah, babe, yeah. And we're gonna be using a cast iron skillet on top of the griddle, just to kind of show you guys that the griddle is really versatile, and if you need like a pot or a pan, you can use it outside. And it's really nice outside, and we wanna get some fresh air, so we're going out front on the world's smallest patio.
Woo!
And what are we making today, babe?
Well, summer is approaching, so it's time to get those brats out. We're gonna make Bratchos.
Bratwurst nachos.
Yeah.
With a little homemade cheese sauce,
A beer cheese sauce.
a beer cheese sauce, bratwurst, and babe shredded her own cheddar cheese. And what else,
Delicious.
babe?
Oh, well, I'll show you the ingredients.
We'll talk about the shopping list. Super easy recipe, and it's going to be tasty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
And here we go. Okay, babe. Are you ready to show the folks the shopping list?
Yes, I am. So let's start with the beer cheese sauce. We're going to have 2 bottles of beer, 2 cans of beer, 2 cups of cheese. I did extra just because I wanted it extra cheesy, but 2 cups is technically what you need. We're doing medium cheddar. 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of a brown mustard. We're using Sierra Nevadas. This is one of our favorite because we went to the brewery and the food was awesome there and the beer was awesome, and we love Sierra Nevada. All right, we're doing 3 brats, and then you can choose your toppings. So you can add white onion. We're not going to do white onion because we're not big fans. We have some little cherry tomatoes. We have a little green onion, and my personal favorite, pickled jalapenos out of the jar. Don't forget your tortilla chips. That's it. Pretty easy.
And a little cilantro on top.
Oh, and we're going to put some of our cilantro that we've been growing on top as well. And that's it.
Okay, babe. That's the shopping list. Let's go outside.
Okay. Okay, so first and foremost, we had to get our cast iron hot. So now I'm going to take our brats and I'm going to put them right here in the cast iron. Actually, let's do them on the griddle. You know, we're out here. We might as well use it.
Before you start soaking them in beer, you just want to get some color.
Yeah, we want to get them a little brown.
Babe, you know what we didn't tell the folks?
What?
That this is really like a one-pot recipe, kind of.
Oh, this is a one-pot recipe.
Because everything will be made in the one pot.
Yeah.
And then you just build it on the plate with the tortilla chips.
Exactly.
So.
All right, so we've got our brats browned up. We're going to pour our beer in, and we're going to let that go for like 13 minutes, okay? Oh yeah, you like the smell of that?
Smells pretty fancy, babe. 1 beer in, a 2 beer in. So, babe, when you made this before, you let it go like, what did you say, 13 minutes?
I think it was like 13 or 14 minutes I let them go. You could let them go a little bit longer.
You just need to make sure that the brats are cooked, and then you could even put them back on the flat top griddle part to brown them up even more before you slice them up.
Mm-hmm. Yep, so the beer is boiling, so we're just going to let those sit and wait.
Are you taking a filming break, babe?
Yeah, just
Out here on the world's smallest patio?
Yeah, I'm just taking a little napper.
Yeah, babe.
Just relaxing with all my dead plants.
Yeah. How's your herbs coming along?
But my herbs are looking good.
Yeah.
They're on point.
Nice.
All right, so it's been about 14 minutes or so. These are looking really good. The beer has simmered down. So I think they're ready. I'm gonna throw them right on here on the grill while I make my beer cheese sauce so that I can get a little more color on them to make them nice and pretty. All right, so we're gonna keep the beer that we cooked our brats in, and we are going to add our ingredients for our cheese sauce. Again, that's 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, or a little more if you're feeling spicy. Let's get that mixed in and melted. All right, so I'm using a whisk just to keep this flowing until we can get everything melted together. It's moving. Okay, we're almost there. We're gonna bring it to a boil. We're gonna add our cayenne and our mustard, and then we're gonna let it sit a little bit for a few minutes to kind of thicken up, and we're gonna be ready to build these Bratchos. All right, we're gonna let this boil for a few while I cut the brats up. cream cheese is almost all the way melted. It smells really good. These smell really delicious as well. I almost want to throw them back on the griddle to kind of crisp them up a little bit. What do you think?
Babe. Whatever you want to do.
What do you think, babe?
Whatever you want to do.
Why not? Okay, let's add our mustard and our cayenne pepper. Okay, ready? All right, 1 teaspoon of cayenne. Ooh, yeah. A little more. Good idea, babe. Okay, let's mix that up.
Okay, babe, are you ready to build?
Oh, I'm ready to build. The cheese is delicious. It smells delicious. And let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of layers here.
You mean layers of flavor, babe?
Layers of flavor. We're going to start with our cheese. A little cheese. And then let's go with some brats.
And we're not making a huge amount of nachos since it's just Babe and I.
Yeah, no. Place them just in the right position, you know? And then let's go with some more cheese. Oh yeah.
You like them cheesy, huh, babe?
I do. We're gonna put a couple tomatoes on there. And like I said earlier, you can do onion, you can do olive, you can add whatever makes you happy. We're just adding the things that we like.
Freshly chopped green onion by you, babe?
Yes, sir. If it were up to me, I'd have a jalapeno in every single bite. I'll be honest. They're my favorite.
The final touch is some cilantro, babe?
Mm-hmm. That we're growing ourselves, by the way, in a pot on the world's smallest patio. Okay, these are our beer brat nachos, Bratchos, with a beer cheese sauce, cream cheese, cheddar. We topped it off with jalapenos, cherry tomatoes, some green onion, and a little bit of cilantro. And don't forget the brats.
All right, babe.
Are you ready?
There it is. It's magnificent looking. So before we take our taste test, we got to roll our top tier channel members. Thank you guys so much. And to every single one of our channel members, we appreciate you so much. Right, babe?
Thank you, guys.
Right. Thank you.
We love you.
Thank you. There's a join button that looks like this. If you'd like behind the scenes access, exclusive live streams, interviews with Babe. Yeah.
That would be scary.
And now it's time to grub.
Okay.
Okay, babe, but you got to get the right bite. You got to get the cheese, the brat, maybe like a tomato.
All I know is it has to have jalapeno.
And like the pickled jalapeno. Oh, yeah, I got it. Oh, I got it.
We got
Oh,
the
here it
perfect
is. Oh, here it is. Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Oh, you're
ready?
building your bite. Okay, here we go.
I love jalapenos.
That cheese sauce is good.
It's good.
The cheese sauce doesn't really taste like cheddar. It tastes like beer
Well,
with a little bit of cayenne. It's really good.
it is good. And I don't know why the cream cheese didn't melt all the way, but it's okay.
Well, it melted. It's really good. But
Very good. Actually, the brat really
the brat-
complements that sauce.
yeah, the brat really complements it.
Okay.
Well, good. All right, guys, make this. Not too spicy. You could have probably put even more cayenne in.
It's got some spice.
A little bit, but not really.
It's good.
So if you have a cast iron or any type of one pot and a stove
Do it
or a
inside
griddle
or outside.
or anything, put it on your barbecue.
Yeah, put it on your barbecue.
Fun little summer treat. So,
Yeah.
all right.
Okay.
See you
Thanks,
guys
everybody.
on the next one.